In this lecture, we are discuss about HTML links. This link also known as hyperlink in HTML. So outline is that HTML links, absolute reference, hyperlinks, absolute and relatives, use an image as a link, bottom as a link. So HTML link is that link are found in nearly as a web pages. Then we want to connect a single page to another page, then we create as a link, then we click a single link, then we jump on another page. So that is a link part. The links allow user to click their way from page to page. Then another word is that we can say one of the key thing about HTML is making as a set of pages as a making a hyperlinks links amongst those pages. And we are they pages are connected with a link to another link. The links are that make a web to web, and it's web of interlinked documents. The interlinked nature of web leads to a known as a search engine like Google appears to have. It is a connection from one web resources to another. Then a link has two and as an anchor and direction. So this is a link part. Then links are connected with source and destinations. That means we click as a link as a source part, then we jump and as a different link and different pages. This is a destination part in HTML page. So HTML link syntax is that links are specified in HTML using a tag. That is a harf part. Then we use as a syntax a, then harf, then URL, then text link. That means a harf is a hyperlink, then URL is a address of a link, then text is a simple text line. Then syntax explanation is that a is short for anchors, then harf is short for hyperlinks. Then HTML a defined as a hyperlink, then harf as an attribute used to specify the destination address of the link used. Then we also known text link is that the text link is the visible part of the link. This is some another example. So we have a single syntax is that a harf, then https, then we create www.google.com as a Google. That this is the address part. So a is a start tag, then Google is a google.com is a where to go as a click. Then Google is a clickable tags. Then a harp is closed, this is a end tag. Then complete URL is that absolute reference. So hyperlink is that HTML links are hyperlinks. You can click on links and jump to another document. Then when you move one link to another link, this is a part of hyperlink. Then we easily create a single link as a hyperlink in web application. This is our example. So simple example is that HTML we start as a HTML, then body section start, then we declare as a h1 is a heading part, then heading is a HTML links, then heading is close. Then also we declare paragraph, then we put as a link as a hyperlink. Then we use as a syntax with hyperlinks. Then so syntax is that a harf is equal to https, then www.amazon.in, then link is closed, then visit amazon.in as a website link we use. Then our a section a anchor tag is closed, then p is closed, then body section closed, then HTML closed. So output is that absolute versus relatives. That means we use two parts as a link connections in single page and another page. Then absolute and relative. So both example above using absolute URL, a full web address in a harp attributes. a local link, that means a page within the same page, then specify relative URL without the HTTP use. So syntax is that a harp, that means we use www.http with www.rgpb.ac.in, then we want to connect with RGPB main page, then absolute, that is a part of a hyperlink, then we use a relative, that means we use as a syntax direct, absolute, direct another page, connect with as a single hyperlink. So we use as a absolute, a harf http www.rgpb as a.ac.in, then we use as a relative, then we use as a syntax is that a harf http www.rgpv.ac.in absolute rgtu dot, then vision rgtu.aspx vision rgp part. That means hypertext reference can be use full URL, then we use relatives, then we use, or a reference can be file name that is assumed to be the same folder as a current document. So output is that, this is our example, we start as a HTML part, then HTML start, then we declare body section, then we put a heading as a declare heading 2, then absolute URL, then heading 2 also declare a relative URL. So first of all we declare paragraph 1, then paragraph 1 is that a harf http www.rgpb.ac.in, then rgpb anchor tag close paragraph close. Then we also declare as a paragraph a harf, then https www.rgpbdiploma.in, then close, then rgpb diploma anchor tag close, then paragraph close. So also we declare a relative URL is that h2 as a relative, h2 is a heading as a relative URL, then we declare as a paragraph, use harf, then harf is use http www.rgpb.ac.in absolute, then about rgp tu, then vision rgtu.aspx, then vision, then anchor tag close, then paragraph close. Then another paragraph is that harf https www.rgpbdiploma.in about us, then about us.aspx, then close tag is close, then about us, then anchor tag close, then paragraph close. Then also we close our body section and HTML section. So our output is that, then output is that declare as a about absolute URL, then also declare as a relative URL. So next is that HTTP link, use an image as a link. So when we want to create as a link with image, then we use image tag. This is very simple, then we can easily connect any image with as a link. So to use image as a link, just put img tag inside a anchor tag. So our output is that, so our example is that HTML start, body section start, then as head section is that h2 is a heading, then image as a link, then heading is close, then we declare as a paragraph, then paragraph, the image below in link try to click on it is, this is a simple paragraph. Then we declare as a harf is http www.sirt.bhopal.ac.in, this URL connect with simple smiley image, we as a URL is that smiley.gif, then style width size is 24 pixels, height is 42 pixels, then width is 42 pixels also, then anchor tag is closed, then body section closed, then HTML closed. So our output is that, then when we click a smiley image, then we go in next page, that next page is that our output. Button as a link, then we can easily use as a button with hyperlink in our HTML page, then our different browser page. So to use HTML button as a link, you have to add some JavaScript code. So JavaScript allow you to specify that is happen, then you can create as a link simple buttons. Then our output, our example is that, so example is that HTML start, body section start, then we declare a heading 2, button as a link, then paragraph is that HTML is connected with paragraphs, then different buttons, then different images also. So paragraph is that click the button to go the SIRT Bhopal, and paragraph close, then we declare as a button hyperlinks, then button coding is that, and we can say button syntax is that button on click, this is a specific button coding. Then document dot location is that https www.sirtbhopal.as.ac.in, then we declare as alert SIRT Bhopal, then button section is closed, then body section is closed, then head HTML is also closed. So our output is that, then when we click in button SIRT Bhopal, then we jump in another hyperlink, this is our output. Thank you.